Okay, let's discuss some of the issues in data mining. Uh, this is a separate topic, and we have only one session based on this. I have summarized all the main points here. You can elaborate each and every point as per the marks. Let me explain the major issues in data mining. The major issues regarding mining methodology, user interaction, performance, and diverse data types. We can classify the issues into three major types, that are mining based on mining methodology and user interaction, and based on the performance, and the issues relating to the diversity of data types. We have additional issues that are relating to applications, privacy, and social impacts of data mining. But we are not going into the depth of all those issues. We just mention the major types of issues. Let us discuss each and every one in detail. First category of issues are regarding mining methodology and user interaction. These reflect the kinds of knowledge mined that we discussed by day 5 material, different kinds of patterns that can be mined. The ability to mine knowledge at multiple granularities. We have to mine data or knowledge at different levels of abstraction. The use of domain knowledge, that is, we have to know the business problem very well. Before going to mine the data, we must have the domain knowledge, and based on that we are creating concept hierarchies and all. Ad hoc mining, that is the meaning of ad hoc is extemporary, that we may have to query the data based on certain conditions. It may be of temporary nature. Then knowledge visualization. Different users may require different kinds of output or a different way of understanding the patterns that is mined. So we have to use different knowledge visualization mechanisms. So these are the issues. We will see each and every point in the next slide. We have these points inside the issues regarding mining methodology and user interaction. First one is mining different kinds of knowledge in databases. So you can explain about different kinds of knowledge in databases. Then interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. Okay, this also can be elaborated. Then incorporation of background knowledge. We must use some concept hierarchies or some background knowledge for the mining purpose. Then next one is data mining query languages and ad hoc data mining. We have to use separate query languages, and we have to support the ad hoc data mining. Then presentation and visualization of data mining results. We may use different methods or patterns for presenting the results. Then handling noisy or incomplete data. This means they used the data for mining may have noisy or incomplete data. If that is too much, the results will not be accurate. So we must handle such kind of data. This can be done through pre-processing. Then pattern evaluation, the interestingness problem. The method of evaluating the patterns may also be different. So these are the major issues coming under the first category. Second category of issues regarding performance. This include efficiency, scalability, and parallelization of data mining algorithms. Different data mining algorithms behave differently in terms of performance. Some may give very good scalability and may be very efficient, but some may not be like that. So these are some issues regarding the performance. First one is efficiency and scalability of data mining algorithms. that is, we have different types of data mining algorithms for solving the same problem, but we have to choose the particular algorithm. For example, we have more than 100 classification algorithms, but according to the user's requirement or the nature of data, the classification algorithm used may be varied. So the efficiency and scalability of data mining algorithms depends on the type of data and the type of issue we have to solve. Next one is parallel, distributed and incremental mining algorithms. We have different types of mining algorithms in parallel or distributed or incremental manner. So we have to choose the appropriate one for solving a particular task. So these are the performance issues in data mining. Next one is issues relating to the diversity of database types. This we already discussed what are the different types of data types we have to use for mining. This includes specific data mining systems should be constructed for mining specific kinds of data. So that is a tedious task. For each and every kind of data, we have to develop different data mining systems. Then next one, the discovery of knowledge from different sources of structured, semi-structured or unstructured data with diverse data semantics poses great challenges to data mining. Okay, I have pointed out the difference between structured data and unstructured data. Structured data, for example, we can say the relational data, but unstructured data, for example, we can say text data or the multimedia data, video surveillance data, etc. It is more difficult to process the unstructured data rather than using the structured data, and the data may be of kind semi-structured type. So these diversities also will be an issue relating to the data mining task. So this include handling of relational and complex types of data, then mining information from heterogeneous databases and global information systems. So as a summary, we have to see some more points that are some of the above challenges have been addressed in recent data mining research and development to a certain extent and are now considered requirements while others are still at the research stage. So this is not a matured technology. For example, we are developing the data mining algorithms as part of research. So we have to address many issues like this. The issues, however, continue to stimulate further investigation and improvement. And we have to solve additional issues also relating to applications, privacy and the social impacts of data mining. So you have to see the different types of issues in data mining, and you just study the points regarding three major issues, and we have to see some additional issues also relating to applications, privacy and social impacts of data mining. As per the marks, you can elaborate these points in your own words. Thank you.